What's going on, everybody? I'm back again to show you a more complete view of how ridiculously advantageous it is using a controller on your Nvidia Shield TV to play PUBG. I've played 2 rounds and I won both of them without being shot one time. So I'm going to see if I can do that again, this time on command. Okay, so here I am on the ground. Okay. Alright, Hobo Pants. You're number 1. Let's see if I can figure out a way to... Well, I can go, but I can't steer. Kill this guy real quick. Controls, vehicle, 1 stick, boom, boom. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, problem solved. Get that cursor off the screen. Hell yeah. Hey, there's a guy. Let's kill him. Oh! Excuse me? Excuse me, magic boy? Who can be run over and not die? Excuse me? What? Okay, I don't understand. He just keeps on getting back up. No more, alright? No fucking more! I terrorized that poor dill pickle. Well, I think there's somebody with me. Oh boy. I mean, what do you want me to say? That it's fair? It isn't. All right. You've got no argument from me. What I'm doing is wrong. I'm sorry. Hey, there's some people. You're welcome. Bye. A little oversensitive, but you know, we're compensated though. Anything else? Hey, just the drop. Oh shit! That actually kind of worried me. For like a second. I mean, are you starting to get the idea here that this might be bullshit what I'm doing? Hey, there's a guy. It's too much. It's too much, y'all. Hey, there's the guy. Okay, now I got a guy behind me too. Oh shit! Who thinks they're brave? Oh shit! I almost fucked up the last one, but I didn't. Almost, but I didn't. Alright, so as you can see, the controller is not just an advantage, it's really unfair, and I'm probably not going to do this anymore because it's a horrible thing to do to people trying to play a game. I'm sorry, okay?